Vegeta! Ibigay mo na ng Dragon Ball! Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog, I'm gonna color my hair again. So the vlog na most views sa channel ko is about coloring my hair using the L'Oreal hair color. So I'll be doing that again, but this time is using another brand. So for this video, the brand that I'm using is this one, the Schwarzkopf Fresh Light Berry Ash. So I'm not expecting to achieve this 100%, but I think I just want to tone down my hair color. So my current hair color is like this. There. So if you want to know the result of this hair coloring ganap, please keep on watching. Let us start. Okay, so let us start talking about the product first. So this one is Schwarzkopf Light Berry Ash, and then nakita ko lang to and nabili ko lang siya sa Landers for 499 or 599. I'm gonna put the price here, so i-check ko kung 499 or 599 nga ba siya. So this one is recommended to me by my sister kasi nakita naman siya sa Landers. So sabi niya maganda nga daw itong pangkulay na to kasi nagamit niya na to before sa Japan. Tapos yun nga, makinang daw yung finish niya, as you can see yung kiniklaim niya here. Tapos nagulat ako kasi ang dali niyang gamitin. Foam lang siya, tapos ikakalat mo lang all over your hair. So yun, let us try that. But before that, let's see what is indicated in the box. So in the box is just the, ayan, yung front niya. Tapos meron siyang direction here. Andyan siya sa side na yan. Tapos meron siya ditong yung parang itsura niya, easy pump, and channeling. Tapos as usual, yung mga other mga nakalagay safety instructions, tapos yung mga other language nung mga safety instructions. Tapos yung directions, may other languages din siya. So, ayun, this is the color ash that we are trying to achieve. And what is inside the box? So, per box, you have a pamphlet, of course, pamphlet of instructions. So, meron bang English? Parang wala namang English. Ay, meron. Meron siyang English. Ayan. So, ito yun, pamphlet. As inside the pamphlet is you have 2 gloves. Thank you very much na meron na tayong gloves. And then, we have here Agent 1 and Agent 2 na paghahaluin. And then, we have here the hair coloring mask. I think we use this after coloring. Tapos, ito yung pump niya na kasama na ilalagay dito. So, this is the items. And then, so, we have what's inside. We have the description. I think we can start. We're good to go. Let's go. So, the first thing that you're gonna do is mix these 2 agents. Let us mix. This is called the developer, and this is called the hair color agent. Agent 1, Agent 2. The developer and the hair color agent. So, wala siyang amoy. Liquid siya. Para lang siyang detergent. Wala siyang amoy. Tapos this one naman, itong hair color natin. Let us see. This one, oof. Ito yung mayroong amoy. Hair color talaga. Pero hair color sa salon. And we're gonna mix it up. As you can see, that is the color. Medyo parang brownish yung color niya. Guys, before you start, magpalit kayo ng damit ha. To color black, I just changed. So, I just literally just woke up. I wanna do this before I take a bath. Kasi may lakad ako mamaya. Magkisimba ako. So, ayun, parang hindi doble yung ligo sa hair. And then, nandiyan na siya. We're just gonna mix this. Oh, what happened? Oh, why did I put that? I suppose not to. So, ayan na siya. Na-mix ko na yung Agent 1 and Agent 2. Let us now change this cup into a pumper. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is what I'm saying, mother father. Sayang kung kukunin ko lahat siya ng tissue. What I'm gonna do is, start na. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna show you the current hair color or the before. So this is this one. Meron siyang mga highlight strips. Yung color nito is hindi ko na alam. 1 year na itong hair na to. Kaya meron siyang color line. So ayan yung color. Dark dito, tas andito na nag-start yung color. So yon. Now, I'm gonna divide my hair. Wala namang sinabi kung paano siya dapat i-apply, but what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna divide my hair. Umpisahan ko siya sa baba. There. And then, I'm gonna wear na the gloves. We have 2 here. Sharan! So, ready na tayo magmukbang. Sarap. Hair color pala to. So, ayan na siya. Ayan na siya. Baby, ayan na siya. So, I'm gonna get first some colors here. Yung mga sumobra. Nakakainis ang messy. Let's press this one. Sorry na. Nalimutan ko na yung pumper pala niya is yung nagpapabubble or nagpapafoam. Ito siya shinik. Then, life must go on. Yan, may onti ako dito. Lagyan lang natin. Oops. Sabi lang naman lagyan. So, lagyan natin. So, we now have this. Tapos magpa-pump tayo. Oops. 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 Okay. Lagyan natin mo. Ruti-ruti. Okay, continue to our next pump. 1 pump. Next. I think this one will be, ano lang, fast lang. Kasi, ano siya eh, foam. So, mabilis siyang mag-ano sa hair. Para ka lang naglalaro. Para lang siyang shampoo. So, yung amoy niya is same sa mga usual na pang color. Meron siyang strong smell, but not that strong na tumatambay. Di ba mayroong mga pangkulay na tumatambay sa ilong? Hindi siya ganun. Next. Okay, so, nalagyan ko na lahat, I guess. I believe. I truly believe. Yan. Kasi ang dami ko nang nagamit na products. Pero, meron pa ding natira. So, madami pala siya. Hindi ko naubusan kasi feeling ko ang dami-dami ko nang nilagay. Ayan. So, I'll be leaving this for like 20 to 30 minutes and then rinse off. Then, I'll show you. I'll get back to you with the result of this hair color. Let's see kung ma-achieve ba niya. Let's see kung anong final look niya. And kung nalagyan ba natin lahat. Kung tama lang ba yung nalagay natin kahit meron pang natira. So, yan.
2,000 years later.
Charot. And I'm back. Look at my hair. So, para sa akin, hindi niya na-achieve like 100% yung ash color na nakalagay dun sa box. Pero, tingnan nyo, nabago yung hair. So, malapit talaga siya sa ash. I mean, okay siya sa akin 100% since I'm not really expecting that 100% magiging ash yung color kasi nga, ash color is hard to achieve if your hair is not bleached. So, kailangan na bleach siya, which I do not want. Ayoko nagbe-bleach ng hair. Pero, just take note that if you can see, merong mga nag-light compare sa other strips. May mga strips na mas light or mas kita yung pagka-ash niya. It's because I have strip highlights, yung mga mini highlights. So, ayun. Kaya, ayan o, ayan, kitang-kita na ganyan. So, kung i-bleach nyo yung hair nyo prior to coloring, ayan yung magiging pinaka-result all over your hair. But for me, goods na ako na may mga highlight na kitang-kita yung pagka-ash niya. And, overall, super nice. So, I'm gonna rate this like, for me, it's 10 out of 10. Kasi for 199 pesos, you can achieve this hair. Tapos, ang pinakamaganda pa doon, super easy niyang i-apply. This is the first brand that I've tried na yung application process niya is just yung foam. Tapos, ikakalat mo lang all over your hair. Kasi diba, the usual is yung dapat per layer, tapos binabrush na ang hirap-hirap niyang gawin kapag mag-isa ka lang. For a DIY, for 199, you can achieve this hair. Super goods na talaga niya for me. Diba? Tapos, nawala yung hindi ganun kakita yung color line ko. Unlike nung una, diba, talagang kitang-kita mo dark, tapos nagla-light na dito, nagwa-blonde na. For this one, hindi masyado. Though yes, it's still kind of visible na mas dark dito, tapos nagla-light dito. But normal naman na siya, normal looking na siya. Super ganda. So, siguro mga months from now, if meron ako nakitang same brand, tapos other color na gusto ko, I'm gonna try as well. Pero siguro mga after 6 to a year. So, just also a disclaimer, my hair is not rebonded, so I can color it on my own. Tapos, but whenever I color my hair, I make sure there's an interval of at least 6 months to 1 year before I try another color or apply another color to my hair. Para sure na nakapagpahinga siya, ensure na hindi parang yung masyadong makikemical yung hair ko, ganyan. And also from time to time, I do hair masking, yung mga binibili lang. Sobrang minsan lang ako nagpapasalon ng color ng hair kasi nga, bukod sa pricey siya, hindi ko rin naman nakukuha yung result. Kumbaga kasi if you are paying mga magkano, 3,000, 4,000 plus, 2,000 let's say, siyempre mayroong expectation kasi nga mahal yung binabayad mo, tapos sila yung gumagawa. Unlike with the DIY, the product is so cheap, 499, 599, you can buy, tapos you can apply it on your own. So, yung expectation mo is hindi ganun kataas, but when you got a better result from your expectation, girl, huy, look. Try nyo na. Go na. Punta na sa pinakamalapit na Landers. Ayun. Diba? Ang nice niya. Hindi ko in-expect talaga na makukuha niya. Ganyan siya. So, ayun. That would be my vlog for today. I'm off na. I'm gonna go to church. So, if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please comment down if you have any suggestions or recommendations of other hair products that you want me to make a review. And also let me know what do you think of my hair. Do you like it, or do you have any suggestion to apply it better, or what do you think? Let me know. So there, please also subscribe to my social media account, especially on Instagram. It's at Ina Santos, YHNA Santos on Instagram. So that would be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy and learn at least 1 or 2 from this vlog. So there, see you on my next one. Thank you. Bye.